multi-camera setup for the bike where it's got a good tail cam and then a forward-facing cam, and people overtaking you looks really cool. At least I hoped it did, because I haven't been able to try it out yet. So I went for a little test ride just on this back road outside of Barcelona. I was just riding on my own, getting some just test footage to play with in the editor when I got home. And these two young dudes on like 50cc bikes came up on my rear view. And I was like, oh, sweet, I'll give it a shot and see if I can get some good footage of them. So I kept it kind of slow, but was still kind of toying with them a little bit. And you'll see up ahead the road gets quite twisty. I try and pull away and then let them catch up and stuff. And then I was trying to get them to pass me because I wanted to see how that looked. I have to say they were really smooth in the curves, and it was that humble reminder that just because you have 12 times the displacement someone else has, it doesn't mean you're any faster in the curves.